This video is sponsored by Sims, so shout out Spins. Shout out Sims for giving me the inspiration for this video. Okay guys, so let me tell you guys the real tea. It's really echoey in here, but I'll put you guys down and basically walk through what I'm doing. Okay, so Sims have a new kit. This kit is called the Courtyard Oasis kit, and it's basically, I would describe it as like a Moroccan feel, arches, colors, green plants. It's just so my vibe, and I want to help basically use this kit to design my guest room, especially this tonal color palette right here. This is right up my street, so I'm going to use the kit to help me design my extra bedroom. I think when you're trying to decorate so many rooms, when you have a theme in mind, it helps you build around the whole room. Find one piece that you absolutely love and then build the whole room around that one piece. That just makes it easier. So I'm so happy that I know that this is gonna be like the Moroccan inspired Riyadh room. I'm thinking of the tones, something like along these lines, like cream, neutrals, maybe a hint of baby pink. That's what I'm looking for this room. The first thing I want to do is draw an arch. So I'm going to just breeze through how I did it. So I'm going to do a voice note kind of explaining. As I said before, the game had a lot of archway features. So basically what you do is you get a string, you put it onto a pencil, and you basically draw out an arch. You basically can see what I'm doing. I didn't even have a real piece of string. I just used this cloth thing, tied it to a string, pinned it to the wall center point, and then drew my arch. Guys, this is the bit that Instagram doesn't see. All the mistakes that we've made. Honestly, I've been doing this for so long. All the lines, but I think I'm gonna go for the darkest one here. The corner arch was the hardest, but then the other archways were pretty simple. I knew I wanted some arches to like kind of cross into each other, so I'm using this plank board as a ruler. So ghetto, but whatever. And I'm basically just finishing up the arches, and then you tape the edges to make sure paint doesn't bleed through to the other side, and it basically just gives it like a crisp finish. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing now. Creating the tape around the arches is a lot trickier. You just have to basically do it in smaller sections, whereas the straight edges, you can just have a long piece of tape go all the way from the top to the bottom. Yeah, but now I'm going to go in with white paint, so that, you know when you get those perfect tape lines when you're ripping it off? This is how you do it. You have to basically paint the edges. Is it on the inside or the outside?
Inside,
yeah. You gotta paint the edges like that with the colour that it already is. Basically just to seal that in. Yeah, a roller works much better. So I feel like this bit is really important to show you. You might be wondering how I'm going to get into the bits that kind of cross over each other, and it's really simple. I'm just getting, well, it's not simple, but I'm getting a paintbrush and I'm carefully going into the line. I'm not going to lie, you have to have a steady hand for it, and you probably have to do 2 coats, which is annoying. As you can see, I've already done it. But now I'm going in again with my second coat. Now this was an unintentional mistake. Unintentional, is that the word? This wasn't meant to happen. I wasn't meant to have white lines in between it, but when I did it, I loved it. So I decided to keep it, touch up any areas that had the white, and just make it look a bit more crisp. But that was a mistake. Okay, so now you guys have seen all that. This is currently where we're at with it right now. But we have this empty space right here. This is literally just a plain wall. We've got this wall pretty much all done. So this is the walls that I want to focus on today. Okay, so, ooh, you did good, babe. Not Jay picking out nice colors. I said you did good. I just told him to get curtain rods, and then afterwards I was like, oh my god, what if he gets like black curtain rods or something? But yeah, these are really cute. They match. You don't believe in me, huh? I'm basically doing a Moroccan theme with a modern twist. That's exactly how I explained to the Sims team.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, babe.
Impact driver.
Alright.
Yeah. Watch this as well. So basically it means that it changes the speed according to what you're doing. Make sense?
Yeah. That makes sense. Get one drill and you start thinking of Bob the Builder.
Huh? That's not gonna move.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Nail looks really small though.
No, it's fine. See? Perfect.
Perfecto! Gosh, this mirror is so big. Careful! I feel like it's gonna break.
That's what you have me doing, huh?
Babe.
Big ass mirror all the way upstairs.
Anyways, shout out to my baby. I'm gonna leave her Instagram here. I saw her use this. It's actually a wardrobe. Shh, don't tell anyone. It's a wardrobe door. £35. Period. So I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna use it. Look how big it is.
It's heavy as well.
It's really heavy. It's so big. So I'm gonna use it as a. Oh my god, does it even fit? Jeez, look, it's up, it's backwards, you know. It literally just fit. What if I spray painted the edges like brown?
Huh?
Yeah, but I want it to look good, babe.
It's good white. Everything else is white. It matches.
Okay, let me cut it open. Oh my days, no, this is too tall. No, it's cute, it's cute.
So I take this off.
This is so cute. Yeah, this is what we needed. This is cute.
Look at the black stuff at the top.
No, this is friggin' cute. No, this is cute, babe. This is so cute. Oh my god, perfect. Yeah, I definitely think we can fit 2 curtains on here. I mean, it came in a set, so we might as well put 2 of them on. That's so nice. Oh my god. Jay, come on, give me my props.
You done alright.
I got the eye. Like, I literally saw all these things and knew it would match.
Well,
okay.
Put the battery.
Okay, well, we're gonna put both of them on. But that works. It's working. It's working. I like when things all come together. Look at my. Okay guys, so I got a bit dolled out, I got a little bit cute, and we put up the curtains now, so it's all completely done. It's as done as I can do. I don't want to overthink it too much. Like, honestly, decorating a lot of rooms is so hard unless you have some sort of inspiration to go by. So shout out Sims once again, and yeah, without further ado, let's see the room. A full room, like from start to finish. This has been a crazy vlog. Obviously there's an ensuite in here. I'll show you guys. That's my sneak peek. this is probably the nicest ensuite actually, but I'm still gonna make changes to it. But yeah, so this is pretty much the end of the vlog. Again, shout out Sims for helping your girl out, because my brain, as much as I feel like I'm a creative person, sometimes it gets jumbled and mumbled. Oh, why is it not focused? Oh, this has been turned off. As much as I feel like I'm a creative person, sometimes my brain just gets jumbled up, and having a bit of inspiration whilst playing the game that I love, by the way, and grew up on, that's like a win-win for me. So yeah, shout out Sims for sponsoring this video, and shout out you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions down below. I would say I'll do the house tour, but the house is like, if I open this door, you'll see the real tea. It looks cute in here, but if you're gonna see the real tea, well, my mum's in the corridor praying, but you lot see the floor, right? Yeah, so my mum's kind of in the corridor, but can you not see, like, the floor's not done, nothing's done. So let me at least get the floor done and stuff, and then I can like comfortably do like the house tour. But I'm so happy with how it came out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.